Lesson 160.
Fruta, naranja.
Antonio, the word fruta, as we say here in our lesson, is similar to the word tostada because basically a fruta translates over to one piece of fruit, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how would you say in Spanish, give me one piece of fruit?
In Spanish, just like tostadas, we don't make it as hard as in English.
Right.
We just say, yo quiero una fruta. Instead of saying one piece of fruit, you just go directly. So literally, you would say, I want a fruit or I want two fruits, but you don't do it like that in English. You just say una fruta or dos frutas or tres frutas. Or in general, you just say, yo quiero frutas. So same rules or same way of approaching tostadas. Same deal.
So I want a piece of toast. I want a piece of fruit. Same construction.
Yeah, that's the way it is.
Okay, good. Okay, let's look at our exercises. In exercise number 1, nosotros necesitamos means we need. Comer means to eat. Más means more. And then we have the word frutas. In Spanish, that refers to more than one fruit. So más frutas, we could say more fruits. Or if we wanted to just make a general statement, we could say more fruit. And todos los días means every day. So number 1 will say, we need to eat more fruits every day. Or as you can see we have in the answer key, it's more of just a general statement. We need to eat more fruit every day. In number 2, we have an infinitive as the subject of the sentence, comer. That means to eat. The verb here is gusta. Naranjas means oranges. So what we have so far would say, to eat oranges is pleasing. Le means to him, to her, or to it. The word no is negating everything. And then we have a mi hermano, which means to my brother. So literally, number 2 might say something like this. To eat oranges is not pleasing to him, to my brother. But we'll really translate it as, my brother does not like to eat oranges. In number 6, we have a question, and the question is being posed to multiple people. Ustedes and quieren will say, y'all want, but since it's a question, it'll really say, do y'all want? And más frutas will say more fruits. Of course, in English, we often say things like more fruit. So we'll translate number 3 into English as, do y'all want more fruit? In number 4, las naranjas están means the oranges are. En la cocina means in the kitchen. And en la mesa will say on the table. Notice how each time we have the word in, it's being translated into a different English word. You really have to watch the context with the word in. So we'll translate number 4 as, the oranges are in the kitchen on the table. In number 5, comer is the subject. That means to eat. Naranjas means oranges. The verb here is encanta. So what we have so far would say, to eat oranges is enchanting. Les means to them, and a mis niños means to my children. So literally, number 5 might say something like this. To eat oranges is enchanting to them, to my children. But what it will really say is, my children love to eat oranges. In number 6, nosotros no necesitamos means we do not need. Dormir means to sleep. Ahora mismo means right now. So the first part of number 6 will say, we do not need to sleep right now. In the second part of the sentence, necesitamos means we need. Beber means to drink. Café means coffee. Porque means because. Necesitamos means we need. And trabajar is an infinitive that means to work. So the second part of the sentence will say, we need to drink coffee because we need to work. In number 6, gracias means thank you. Por means for. El cereal means the cereal. Y means and las tostadas means the pieces of toast. Of course, in English, we typically would say toast when referring to more than one piece, so we'll just translate las tostadas into English as toast or the toast. So number 7 will say, thank you for the cereal and the toast. In number 8, the subject is las tostadas. That's referring to multiple pieces of toast. Con mantequilla means with butter. The verb here is gustan. That's third person plural, and it goes along with the las tostadas. So what we have so far would say, toast with butter is pleasing. Le means to him, to her, or to it. And a mi hijo means to my son. So number 8 might literally say something like this. The pieces of toast with butter are pleasing to him, to my son. But of course, we'll translate it into English like this. My son likes toast with butter. In number 9, yo no puedo means I am not able. Beber means to drink. Leche means milk. Pero means but. Skipping to the last 2 words, we have el jugo, which means the juice. The verb here is encanta, that means it is enchanting, and me means to me, and a mí means to me. So literally, number 9 might say something like this. I am not able to drink milk, but the juice is enchanting to me, to me. But that's not the way we'll really translate it. We'll really translate it like this. I am not able to drink milk, but I love juice. Or, I cannot drink milk, but I love juice. Notice how we left out the word the in front of the word juice. In number 10, mis amigos están means my friends are. Caminando means walking, and al parque means to the park. So number 10 will say, my friends are walking to the park.